Well, we came to WEFTEC this year to showcase all our products. If it is the centrifuges, which we have showcased frequently a lot, or if it is our new processes, like the hydrograph, the ponders, Calprex, Airprex, and from the equipment side, our new THK machine. Well, the hot product is the hydrograph. It's a new product, and this will increase the clarification capacity by about 20–25%. So its capex is relatively low compared to a new clarifier. The other product we want to showcase is our THK thickener machine, which thickens waste-activated sludge, primary sludge, without polymer, and will be our showcase for the next couple of years as well. The industry we are focusing on right now is at 50% municipal. The other 50% are industrial, different industries from food processing to mining to coal processing to oil and gas, upstream and downstream. And the future will be a lot of in the mining industry. Right now, we have to recover all the resources like nitrate, phosphates, and that is right now the future of the industry, and that will be, for the next couple of years, the biggest new processes we develop for exactly the nutrient recovery. Centrisys has been historically learned about different processes and put them all together in a package. When we were just doing centrifuges, the centrifuges were one leg to stand on, where putting all the processes together, we are the expert in biosolids. By being the expert in biosolids, we will then put all these processes together, we remove phosphates, we hydrolyze, which improves the performance of a centrifuge, which is our core project. And so that's why we are looking into putting all these processes together for the future.